If you've been wanting to start working online or don't know where to begin, then becoming a virtual assistant is one of the easiest ways to make money remotely, even if you have no experience. Today, I'm walking you through a complete step-by-step checklist to get started. So grab a pen and a paper because you want to take notes. You don't want to watch this video to the end without taking notes. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinyere, and on this channel, I help you discover smart and easy way to make money online. If you're all about making money the easy way, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any future videos from me. Feel free to leave a comment in the section with any questions that you have. I do my best to respond. Now, without further ado, let's dive into it. Step number 1, understand what a virtual assistant does. Now, and I'm going to break this down for you. A virtual assistant, with the acronym VA, provides administrative support, technical support, or creative services remotely. This means that you can work from anywhere in the world. You can serve one or multiple clients at the same time, and you get to set your own hours and your rates. So when you hear of a virtual assistant, think of an independent contractor that provides services online for multiple people at the same time. Now, there are various things or common things that a VA tasks include. Number 1 is data entry. They do calendar and email management, social media management, content writing and editing, customer service. The list is endless. See this as any service that you can provide virtually. Some VAs specialize in areas like tech support, bookkeeping, or even content creation, but beginners usually start as general virtual assistants, as administrative virtual assistants. So I want you to check this step off your list once you now understand what a VA does. Step number 2, you need to decide which service you want to offer. What are you really good at? Do you enjoy organizing file, writing, or managing social media or attending to customers? If you're unsure, start with general VA tasks like using Excel, Word documents, Google Sheets, basic email and file management. With this, you will start by handling things like data entry tasks. I have created a free guide on how you can identify VA skills, so you want to check the video description below for the link. Now, check this step off your list after choosing the area where you want to start as a VA. That is, after you decided the service you want to offer as a VA. Step number 3 is to learn and master your skill. It's one thing to have a skill, it's one thing to be a pro in it. Once you have chosen your service, spend a few days or weeks mastering them. The way to learn quickly is you can watch free YouTube videos, you can take short courses on Udemy or Skillshare, you can practice by helping your friends, family, or small business owners with their tasks for free. You can also register for my virtual assistant training where I teach you how to do all of this. Check this off once you feel confident in your skill. Step number 4, set up your work environment. To work effectively, you would need a good laptop or a desktop, a good phone in most cases, stable internet connection. Consider getting MiFi or router if needed, depending on the area where you are. A quiet workspace is good. Even a small desk in a quiet corner of your house is fine to start with. Background noise during client meeting can make you seem unprofessional. So you want to find a quiet spot in your house or a work office where you can do your meeting. If this is ready, check this off once you have a solid workspace setup. Step number 5, set your rates. This could be hourly rates depending on your experience level, service offered, industry demand. General VA rates usually begin from $5 to $15 per hour, and your rates can continue to increase as you grow. Experienced VAs typically charge $20 to $50 per hour. Don't set your rate too low. This can attract low quality clients who undervalue your work. However, even offering a free service is not bad. Check this step off once you have decided on your rates. Step number 6 is to create a portfolio. Even without experience, a portfolio shows potential clients what you can do. And I tell my students, you yourself, you're your first client. What would your portfolio include? A sample data entry spreadsheet of you showing that you know how to do data entry, a well-written email draft, a social media post you have created on your social media account. And this can include other things that you intend to do as a VA. use Canva to design a professional looking portfolio. If you don't have experience, create mock projects to showcase your skill. And that is you stepping in to be the client and doing this work for yourself. Once this is ready, check this off your list because you have built your portfolio. Step number 7, find and apply for VA job. The best way to find clients are: number 1, sign up on freelance platform. You have probably heard this before, but here are some best sites that VAs should use. Number 1, Upwork. Upwork still holds the standard up to today. You can check Fiverr, people per hour. We have freelancers.com. Now, there are still a lot. All you have to do on this platform is to create a strong profile and upload your portfolio. Step 2 is you can use cold outreach. Clients won't come to you. You have to go and find them. Have that at the back of your mind. So identify small businesses and entrepreneurs who need a VA. Reach out to them via email, LinkedIn, Instagram, or other social media platform through their DMs. Introduce yourself, share your services, and attach your portfolio to it. Always personalize your message. You could start with a simple, "Hey, my name is, I notice you are running a growing business and might need help managing emails and admin tasks. I'd love to assist you. Here is my portfolio. Let me know if you'll be interested and have time for a 30-minute Zoom meeting or chat." This increases your chances of getting a response. Now, if this is also ready, check this off as you start to apply for a job. Step number 8, stay consistent and keep improving. Every VA that you see today that you admire once had a time where they had to stay consistent. Starting as a virtual assistant takes time, but persistence is key. Now, for you to stay on track, apply for multiple jobs per weeks, per days, refine your approaches and outreach messages, keep learning new skills to increase your value every day. Many clients won't respond at first. I've seen this firsthand, but that's normal. The key is to stay consistent. From time to time, check in, keep improving your approach, and trust me, over time, you'll be glad you did this. Now go ahead to check this off once you're committed to staying consistent. Don't check this off if you've not promised yourself that you're going to stay consistent. Now, if you're ready to become a virtual assistant, let's do a quick recap of your VA checklist. Understand what a virtual assistant does. 2, choose the services that you want to offer. Master your skill. Set up your work environment. Decide on your hourly rate. Create a strong portfolio. You would always need to send out your portfolio. Find and apply for jobs like on a daily and a weekly basis. You can set this into your calendar. Stay consistent and improve yourself over time. Comment below which platform you'll be signing up for first. Have you tried being a virtual assistant before? What are your struggles? Share your experience with me. I would love to read from you. If you found this checklist helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now, and happy freelancing.